Virus classification explained. Virus classification organizes virus into taxonomic system. It's similar to how we classify cellular organisms. Viruses are classified by their phenotypic characteristic. This include morphology, nucleic acid type, mode of replication, and host organism are also considered. The type of disease they cause is another factor. The International Committee of Taxonomy of Virus is responsible for classification. Blackmore system classify virus into several groups. This is based on their classification is the process of naming viruses and placing them into a taxonomic system similar to the classification system used for cellular organisms. Viruses are classified by phenotypic characteristics such as morphology, nucleic acid type, mode of replication, host organisms, and the type of disease they cause. The formal taxonomic classification of the virus is the responsibility of the International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus, ICT. Although the Blackmore classification system can be used to place virus into one of 7 groups based on their manner of messenger RNA synthesis, specific naming conventions and further classification guidelines are set out by the ICTV. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus began to devise and implement rules for the naming and classification of virus early in 1970s, and if Union of Microbiological Societies with the task of developing, refining, and maintaining a universal virus taxonomy. The system shares many features with the classification system of cellular organisms, such as taxon structure. However, some differences exist, such as universal use of italic for all taxonomic names, unlike in the International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, plants, and the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, the phylum, subphylum, kingdom, subkingdom, and order and family. Blackmore classification, first defined in 1971, is a classification system that places virus into one of 7 groups depending on combination of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, stranded, single-stranded or double-stranded sense, and method of replication named after David Blackmore, Nobel Prize winning biologist. Double-stranded DNA viruses like adenovirus, herpes, and pox. Single-stranded DNA virus, positive sense strand, the DNA parvovirus. Double-stranded RNA virus like example reovirus. Single-stranded RNA virus, positive strand RNA virus like coronavirus, picornavirus, Tuga virus. Negative sense single-stranded RNA virus, negative stranded and sense RNA, also mixoviruses, rhabdoviruses. Single-stranded RNA RT viruses, positive stranded sense RNA with DNA intermediate in life cycle, retrovirus. Double-stranded DNA RT virus, DNA with RNA intermediate in life cycle, hepatinovirus. Virus family example virion and the capsid symmetry nucleic acids group adenovirus. Adenovirus like canine hepatitis virus. Some types of common cold. The virion naked and the capsid icosahedral nucleic acid double strand. Papuvavirus, parvovirus, herpes virus, pox virus, and polio. This is example of the DNA viruses. Example of RNA viruses: reovirus and rotavirus. The capsid naked, the capsid symmetry icosahedron, Bicorna viridi, calciviridi, Tuga viridi, Arena viridi, Flaviviridi, also mixoviridi, Paramyxopheridae, Boniaviridae, Rhabdopheridae, and Flaviviridae, Coronaviridae, Astropheridae, Bornaviridae. These are example of RNA virus. Example of reverse transcribing virus,